What's up, everybody? I'm first on the video, so we are about to go to the movies, and this plan has been in motion for about 2 hours. Yet I'm ready, and I'm down here, and I'm waiting on somebody who had like this brilliant idea for us to go to the movies for the first time since the pandemic, and now they're not even ready. I'm dressed. All I gotta do is put on my shoes and socks, but you know how that go. At first, he was playing the game. Then he was moving close to the dryer. Camera on 40 seconds. I'll let y'all know what second it gets to when he finally coming down. But yeah, this is our first time going to the movies since the pandemic, which is something we actually used to do all the time. We used to go to the movies every week, and now it's been so long. Yes, and I still have on my raspy Alicia Keys voice. It's been a week. It's been a week, so I don't know how long it's going to take to clear up, but as soon as it does, you'll get the best of me back. Anyway, the time is now 1 minute and 22 seconds, and he's not down here. And I will check back in with you guys when he is. All right, I'm back on the camera, y'all. Look who finally decided to join us after have us waiting. And waiting and waiting and waiting. And waiting and waiting and waiting.
What the old saying say? A lie don't care who tell it. A lie do not care who tells it.
I mean, y'all saw the video proof. I talked to y'all for a solid 2 minutes while I was waiting. And now I'm back on the camera.
Not waiting.
Not waiting 10 minutes later. Anyway, we finally going to the movies for the first time. We used to go to the movies every week, y'all. And then we had a kid, and then had a pandemic hit. And
A child, bro.
what we had, baby?
A child.
Why we didn't have a kid?
That's a baby goat. Go ahead with the story, man. So,
So what did we learn today here, folks?
that a kid is a baby goat.
A kid is a baby goat, and colloquial language is not acceptable in reference to kid versus child. Colloquial language is an SAT word, baby. Tell the people what it means.
You said what?
Tell them what colloquial means.
Using too many big words, baby. I don't know them big words. I don't know the small words.
So we're going to see Don't Breathe 2. I'm super excited. We haven't been to the movies in forever. And yeah, we're going to take y'all on that quick little journey with us. And this puts at least date 4 or 5. Still in the top 10. We going in. See y'all a little bit later. I can't believe we at the movies. It already smelled like popcorn. It smelled like the movies. Huh? He always using his student ID. I gotta put away the contraband for a second. BRB, y'all. It's baby, they got a menu. A food menu.
That's not it.
I don't know. Fancy schmancy movie theater. Well, it's one of those social media. So never to break tradition. Of course, as soon as we get to the theater, we get our tickets, and you gotta use the restroom. That's just how it goes. Oh, it's good thing. It's good. I was just telling them how the traditions don't change, and it's good to see that. As soon as we get to the movies, you gotta go to the restroom. The classics don't die.
Yep.
Maybe I was wrong, baby. Maybe you can't order from your seat here, but you used to be able to. For real? So we gotta go back out and get some fries then, baby, because I'm starving. Huh? What'd you say?
You want me to go?
It don't matter. back in the car.
Shit, man.
This movie was insane.
Yeah, I don't know about that one. That shit. I'm working on what goes in my brain,
Yeah, medulla
to my
oblongata.
subconscious mind, and that shit right there.
Unacceptable, baby. But yeah, y'all, this movie was madness.
Hell no.
So I don't know if you've seen the first one. If you've seen the first one, they really
That shit was crazy.
Yes, but they're really unrelated. The first one, like, makes you think, like, they kind of just...
It's about him.
It is about him, but it's like, all right, leave this old blonde man alone, even though he's a psychopath. And then you get into it and you find out, all right, he's not just an old blind man. But
He's
this
a
one...
monster. Creep.
This...
But that's what Stockholm Syndrome, bro. And I love movies as a form of entertainment, but I might have to let that shit go, man.
So, the main thing is, this probably should have came out around Halloween.
That shit should have never came out, bro.
Okay, so beyond the, like,
Yeah, we don't want to tell
the
movie.
violence, was it a good movie? Because I
No,
thought the
bruh.
plot was full of twists and
I
turns.
told
that
her, even the shit you was watching, I'm like, bruh, I don't want to be watching no shit that got this kind of shit
baby, we
going
gonna
on.
get demonetized. Stop cursing.
Oh, well, yeah.
We not even monetized, we're gonna
I
get
don't
demonetized.
want to be watching that kind of stuff.
What was I watching, baby?
About the sick stuff, bro. Like, sick stuff going on the screen. I'm like, bro, I'm not trying to watch no sick stuff.
Anyway, with that being said, we finally had our first trip to the movies past the post-panoramic.
It was safe minus other people coughing and some people coughing that I know as well.
I coughed one time.
I'm just saying. I'm just telling the people what happened.
Literally one cough, and all of a sudden I was coughing. It was one cough.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know.
Anyway, it was nice. It was relaxing. Definitely.
And I kept telling this lady, I don't know why she thought that you can order food. You never could order food at AMC Cumberland.
Okay,
Never.
so maybe I was thinking about
Never.
what's the one, Phipps Plaza?
Never.
Maybe Phipps, you can order food from your seat. But I could have sworn, I'm gonna have to ask my sister.
Never. You can ask them. Hey, can I have ever order food here, dude?
That being said, if you into violence and wild craziness, 10 out of 10 would recommend. If you're not into violence, 10 out of 10 would not recommend. But thank y'all for tuning in. We on date number 4 or 5. You will see at the end. And keep it up. Keep along with us with the journey. All right. Love y'all. Bye. Peace, love, nay.